Go to school or something, I don't know.
Electronic test.
Yeah, maybe electronics, yeah. Learn how to solder and all that bullshit. Yeah, I just break boards, that's how him, you know,
Just did 20 panels on the other side. These ones. And then out to the neighbors. You got the guys out there setting up, getting ready.
How much you charge for this site?
25 cost. 25 cents.
Yeah, you gotta find whatever next time. Go find out.
Nick, is this an easy job?
Yeah.
Yeah, right? So we just finished one house. Well, it's two houses, I'm sorry. So it was him and his neighbor. And right now we're heading to another house just down the street about 4 minutes away. I drove off and look at what happened. Oh, bam. That thing is like, it's a good thing. So we're at a third property for today. We have one more house. So the customer reached out to us saying that he had just 2 solar water heaters. And since it was on the way to another home, we said, okay, you know, we can just stop by and get it done real quick. But look. Oh my God. He did not know. Did he know or did he not know he had panels? So with the water solar heaters, we use that type of brush. Since it's a little bit more bigger, more stronger, because the solar water heaters don't have any type of coating, so it's a little bit more rougher to take it off, so it doesn't damage the panel itself. And then as for the panels, we use the Tucker equipment and deionized water. They just got done. Man, look at the beauty of them, shiny, clean.